Okay, so hello users. Today I'm gonna demonstrate the use of Archidlam app. Okay, so first of all, this is the home screen. This is for the first time user. So either you're gonna be asked for sign in or you're gonna be asked for sign up. If you go with the sign up thing, you need to fill up your details. All these informations are compulsory. Once you click on the submit button, and information will be sent to the admin in New Delhi office, and you need to manually drop an email or call your supervisor or your seniors to ask them and enable your account. So without enabling your account, you cannot use your email and the password that you selected to log into this app. So this is the first step for a very new user who's coming for the first time using Archidlam app. The sign up requires that you get your account, you get your details filled up and your account get activated from the supervisors who are sitting in New Delhi office. Okay, now we're gonna go with the sign in thing. I'll just okay, so I filled up my detail. Since I already created an account, I'm gonna sign in. Okay, right after sign in, this is the first permission that's gonna come, and it is compulsory for everyone when they are signing this app. Internet has to be there, so internet is a must while doing the sign in and while marking the attendance. So first we're gonna select the permission for geolocation, and I am selecting while using the app. So this is the first thing that comes on when you start your new day on Archidlam app. So while marking your attendance, since it is working with live server, please make sure your internet is connected all the time, especially when you are marking the attendance. So right, for example, I'm marking the full day present, and okay, so your attendance is marked. Okay, and going step by step, first thing first, the new job section. Okay, we have our internet connected, and there is one permission that comes that asks uh, for your media file also, that asks to get permission for your storage. Whenever that thing is also coming, I request you to select your permission for media storage as well. Okay, so first going with the new job. Okay, as you can see, my internet was connected. I opened the new job, and these are the fields that are coming up. Okay, so for first time users, if you want to use the offline feature of this app, it is very important to keep your internet active and enabled, so that some of your data or some of your customers name are getting stored in this on your phone device. So you can use that feature later on in your offline mode, which I'll be showing you in a few minutes. Okay, first of all, we'll go with the topmost detail, that is customer type. For example, I'm selecting corporate. Okay, so this app allows a feature of selecting predefined field details. What I'm trying to say on this is that for example, if you're an old user or a user who's been using this app for quite a long time, some of your customer details get pre-filled from our database. Like for example, I was having the name of this customer with S for example. This is a demo customer, so all the remaining details get filled up on its own. So this is a feature that we have inserted in this app, and you don't need to fill all the details again and again. The first time you have filled up, that's more than enough to catch up from a previous record. Okay, since purpose can be different every time. For example, I'm filling demo for catalog. Okay, for pop also. All right, now I'm planning to visit this customer on the 19th. Today is 17th. Okay, so 19th, and the site name. Okay, I'm giving the site name also as demo, and estimated business is 10 rupees, for example, of this from this company. So once I click on the submit button, it's gonna come up with an alert message. I'm gonna submit the alert, and see, details submitted successfully done. Okay, so you can see your form got reset. Now this simply means your details have been sent to your server. And why it went to your server? Because you were connected with a very good internet connection speed. Okay, so it's now it's on the server. You can again fill up your second job, and the process can go on and on. Okay, moving further, now we have weekly reports. Weekly reports mark how many details or how many jobs that you have filled up during this entire week. So you have reports for each and every day, Monday, Tuesday. Like for example, today I filled up 4 details. So yeah, it's gonna come on Friday. I have filled up 4 details and it's showing over here. Moving back, now the monthly report. Monthly report is going to mark what all details, what all work or what all progress you have done the entire month. You can track for previous month, and you can see your details for this current month also, and accordingly you can make an assessment what's your current status and performance. Okay, track employees is basically for seniors who need to monitor their subordinates. You need to see their live locations. So once you click on the track employees, you can see where are your employees right now, basically your subordinates. Okay, now for example, I'm using this geolocation and I'm able to see some employees. Like for example, this employee, this location is here, and this is the timing, this is the date, and this was the last time location. So by this way, seniors can just view the live locations of their juniors, and accordingly they can manage the marketing as well as the daily sales. Okay, now we're going to talk about the job scheduler. Job scheduler is nothing but it's going to give you an information what all future meetings that are coming, that you filled up during your new job section. For example, like as you remember in my previous example, I marked a date for 19 that I need to visit any new customer, and as you can see, these are some of the demo examples that coming up. All these examples are for my 19th date, so these meetings are coming for my 19th, and accordingly as a user you can see your upcoming meetings and you can accordingly follow up with your customers. Okay, so there is a feature of direct calling also. As you can see, if you're going to click on these mobile numbers, you can directly make a call to your customers. Like for example, I'm pressing the number, and definitely and it's going to come on the calling tab, and you can directly make a call to your customer just to take a follow up if you can come up and complete your visit. Okay, so now coming the sales section. Sale has two sections. One is the view sale, and second one is the new sale. View sale gonna show you your previous or past sales, or your possible sales that you have given to your company, or any sale lead that you have given your company that you have filled up in the sales section. Okay, so new sale, it works quite similar, just like the new job section. You can fill up type of sale, type of customer, and again it's going to work the same way. Select your any pre-filled customer and other details going to fill. Select your product, the quantity. You can fill up multiple product also. Take a different product, I'm going to click one, so the total is going to come all the time. And you can click on the submit button. It's going to again ask for that alert message, and once you click the submit, and yeah, sale has been created. Okay, so all this work was going when you have a very good internet connection. Okay, before going with the offline feature, let me explain you with the apply for tour section also. Once you click on the apply for tour section, so yeah, you can apply for a tour. Okay, like this is gonna be selecting your starting date and your ending date. As you can see, you are able to mark your tour. You can put any comment. I'm gonna put dummy, I'm sorry, demo, and you can apply, and your tour gets applied accordingly. So your supervisors or your seniors are able to see on which day you went for a tour. Okay, all right, now let's go with the offline feature. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, now let me close the internet. Okay, as you can see, now we don't have any internet connection. We are working on an offline mode, so you don't need to panic if you don't have any internet connection, or if you are a poor connection. Just close your internet, go on a new job. Okay, fill up your new job. like a normal job thing, because your data is gonna stay on your mobile phone. You don't have to worry about lot of things. I'm gonna fill up some more demo thing. Okay, this time I'm gonna keep the date 21. It's gonna be sign business, for example, 100. Okay, you can see data saved successfully, your form get reset, and the most important part, you don't have any internet connection. So as you can see, you're gonna be prompt, okay, you don't have any network, no network. Definitely it's gonna come up because you are without an internet, and it's gonna come again and again in some time, just to give a reminder and just to make you aware that you are working on your app without the internet connection. And the best part that you can see on the very top, you have one message that has prompt, uh, you have one visit and zero sales to sync. Earlier it was no sales to sync or no visit to sync. That means you were working, since you were working on internet with live geo tracking and geo monitoring, as well as live database updates. So you didn't require this feature. Since internet is not available now, all your data is getting saved on your mobile phone, and you are being shown with this message that you have one visit that certainly needs to be synced. So whenever you have your internet connection back, like, okay, before that, till the time you don't have any internet connection, continue filling up your job, do as much job as you can, seeing the situation that you don't have any internet or any connection facility available, or there is a problem in your area where network issue is there, or you have some problem with the app, start working in offline mode. Okay, so and the moment you get your internet connection, okay, as you can see on the top, I am now connected with an internet. Yeah, you're gonna see two arrow buttons, blue arrow buttons. So the moment you're gonna click on these two arrow buttons, see, some processing happened and it says data synced successfully. So this signifies now whatever record that you filled up in offline mode without internet, now technically it has gone to our server, and this is when it is going to be counted as your official visit for the day or new jobs for the day. So please be make sure that whenever you're working in offline mode, you are syncing your job on the server when you are again coming back on the internet. This is a very important feature. It is kind of a backup feature when you don't have a connection and you don't lose your working for that day. Work on the offline mode, and whenever you're back online, just sync your data. Don't forget to sync your data, otherwise it won't be counted as your sale for that day, or I'm sorry, your new job for that day. Okay, so I can, that's it from my side. Okay.